हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज शेख नोमान। आप देख रहे हैं स्टार न्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस।
Assalamu alaikum, pranam, good evening, and namaste to all our viewers. This is your friend Mustafa Zarwar, and you're watching Star News Express. Dear friend, today I have reached the Golconda police station to talk to Sir Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Reddy, sir, about the present situation. At the same time, we like to know what are the measures the police is taking to curb the ganja sellers. All right. So very good evening. Welcome to Star News Express, sir. Now, my first question, sir. You are managing an area of 5.5 kilometer and a population of 3.5 lakhs. So, how difficult is it to manage, sir?
Good evening to all viewers. It is one of the biggest police station in Hyderabad city. However, we are taking instruction from the superior officers time to time. The entire police station has divided into four sectors. Each sector is headed by sub inspector. They are moving time to time and interacting with the local elders, religious elders, and community peoples. By the help of the community people, we are going to control all the situations in a peaceful manner, and we are going to control the crime also. If at all any untoward things happen in their sectors, certainly we are receiving information within a few minutes through mode 100 or a local police station number, as well as sector SA, and also myself are receiving the information. Whenever we received the information, within no time we are reaching the spot and controlling the situation in our manner, and taking caring of the steps. Thank you.
So, what are the critical and non-critical places in your area, sir?
So earlier, some of the places were identified like Tolichoki, Shekhpet Road, then Narsingi Road, as well as Seven Tombs Road. But whereas in the past 1 to 2 years, we have been erecting the community CCTV cameras. So almost all major roads are covered with cameras. For that reason, major incidents were stopped because of the CCTV cameras. So in this aspect, our Golconda police is thanks to the sponsors who are arranged money for erecting the CCTVs in our Golconda limits.
So, our Honorable Chief Minister KCR, sir, wants to curb the ganja sellers and the consumers. So, what are the steps you have taken in your area to control the ganja thing, sir?
So in our Golconda limits, we have identified some of the places. Earlier it was sold, and it was identified as hotspots. To curb or to control those type of activities, have been selected number of teams. It's called special teams headed by sub inspectors. They are moving in that area, and so far we have been booked 3 cases in our Golconda police station and sent them to judicial custody. And through their information, I have been watching the peddlers. So some of the persons are yet to be arrested. So we have been controlling the through our special parties, as well as through community people. Community people are very much supporting us. One more time, I am appealing to the community. If at all any unknown persons or known persons moving in your area in a drunkard or consuming any ganja, immediately please inform to us. We'll take action against them, as well as who sold that ganja or other items. Definitely will reach them, and also they have been booked under this NDPS Act.
Sir, I request you to please give out a special message to the youth of the city, from this platform, sir.
Nowadays, we have been receiving more complaints on colleges, institutions, particularly educational institutions. Most of the students are going to addicted this type of drugs as well as ganja. So I am appealing to the youth, please don't fall into that angle. Please take care of yourself. If you notice any this type of activities from your peer group, please inform to the head of the institution as well as your parents also, particularly parents, because they are the right persons. Then come to police station or inform to police through any means like dial 100 or other modes. Definitely, recent past also our patrol car and blue coat officers have taken classes and counseling them to avoid this type of addictions. So from college management also have been received good encouragement. So for this also we are thankful to the head of the institutions of education particularly.
Thank you. So finally, the Rowdy Shooter drive, counseling drive, is it still going on?
Yeah, in our police station around 60 hard rowdy shooters are there. For recent past, no rowdy activities are taken place. However, these rowdy shooters are divided into all sectors. They have been closely monitored by the sub-inspectors. They have been called weekly or if at all any importance daily also. Have been calling them and warning them if any involved in even petty case also. Time to time we are watching them, and moreover we are checking their antecedents as well as through technology we are watching them. Even their phones also been watching and giving time to time warnings and instructions also.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. This was a great and the finest police officer of Telangana Police, Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Reddy, sir. I thank him so much for his time. You guys keep watching Star News Express and have a good day. Bye-bye.
अगर आपको हमारी न्यूज़ पसंद आई है तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए और बेल आइकन दबाइए ताकि हमारी न्यूज़ सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे।